Now the second part of exercise 1.3 of chapter 1 integers, questions 6 to 9. Question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So here the temperature when the process begins is 40 degrees centigrade, and every hour it is lowered. So the temperature should come down by 5 degrees centigrade every hour. Then for how many hours? 10 hours. So the fall of temperature every hour is 5 degree. So what will be the fall of temperature for 10 hours? It will be 10 into 5, 50 degree. So since the temperature is falling, what will be the temperature after 10 hours? It will be 40 minus 50. Not 50 minus 40, 40 minus 50, which is equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade. And I can show you in this in a easy way. Think about a clock. So let us think the process begins at 12. So after 10 hours means the time will be 10, is it? So let us just count. So 12 o'clock it will be, initial temperature will be 40. Then every 5 minutes the temperature will, no, every 1 hour the temperature will come down. So just see, every 1 hour temperatures come down 35, 30, 25, 20 like that. So 10 o'clock, 10 hours, what's the temperature showing here? Minus 10 degree. So this way also you can find out the answer for it. Now question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and negative 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. So what we understood from here, 5 marks for the correct answer, minus 2 mark for the incorrect answer, and if you did not attempt, then no problem, no negative mark, only 0 mark. Now question 1. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? Let us see. So marks for correct answer 5, marks for every incorrect answer negative 2. Now let us see how much mark Mohan get. Mohan's score for 4 correct answers will be 4 into 5, 20. And his score for incorrect, how many incorrect? 6 incorrect. It will be 6 into minus 2, that is negative 12. So what will be his total score? We need to add both. So 20 plus negative 12, which is equal to 8 marks, because we have to subtract and 20 is the bigger number. So the difference is a positive integer. So 8 marks is his total score. Now let us move on to Reshma's score. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. So Reshma's score for 5 correct answers will be 5 into 5, 25. And for 5 incorrect answers, it will be 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. So what will be the total score? 25 plus negative 10, which is equal to 15 marks. Now Hina, her score for 2 correct answers, 2 into 5, 10. And 5 incorrect answer. There are total 10 questions, but she answered 2 questions correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. Only 7 questions she attempted. So the rest of the 3 questions she will get 0 marks. So no need to show that. So score for incorrect, 5 incorrect answers. 5 into minus 2 is equal to negative 10. So what will be the total score? 10 plus negative 10. 10 and negative 10 cancel. So it is 0. Now question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. The company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? So here you have to understand, profit means if you buy an article for 5 rupees and if you are selling it for more price, that means for 10 rupees you are selling, or 5 rupees your article you are selling for 7 rupees. You are selling it for a 2 rupees more. So it is a profit. That 2 rupees is a profit for you. But if you are buying an article for rupees 5 and you are selling it for rupees 3, then it is a loss because you are losing 2 rupees there. So it is loss. So when the selling price is more than the cost price, it is profit, and profit we will take as positive. And if the selling price is less than the cost price, then it is loss, and loss is taken as negative. Is it clear? So profit per white cement bag rupees 8 and loss per grey cement bag. So each grey cement bag selling is minus 5, consider minus 5 because it is loss. So the company sells 3,000 bags of white cement. So let us see, total price, selling price of 3,000 white cement bags will be how much? 3,000 into 8, which is equal to 24,000. Now total price of 5,000 grey cement bags will be 5,000 into, since it is loss, we are considering it as negative. So it is loss of 25,000. It is not loss of negative 25,000, loss of 20, because loss is considered as negative. So it is a loss. Loss of how much money? 25,000 rupees loss. Understood? Don't consider it as loss of minus 25. It is not that, loss of 25. Or you can say the total price. If you are not using the word loss, then the total price, selling price, you can say as negative 25,000. So what is the total? Total amount got by selling both the white cement bag as well as the grey cement bag. You have to add both, is it? So 24,000 minus plus negative 25,000. So it is minus 1,000. So it is loss. It is loss because we got the total selling price as a negative value. That means in this selling, it is a loss of 1,000 rupees. Since the total amount is negative, it is loss. So loss is how much? Don't write again loss equal to negative 1,000. It won't come. Loss equal to 1,000 rupees. Now second question. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the total number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. So if there is no loss, no profit, means what will be? It will be, both should be equal. Then only we can say there is no profit, no loss. So total price of 6,400 grey cement bags. It is loss, no? So 6,400 into negative 5. So negative 32,000 is the selling price we are getting. So when we add both, the selling price of both the white cement bags and grey cement bag, if we are getting 0, that means neither profit nor loss. Whatever you purchase, the same amount you got. There is no profit, no loss. So for what price? What should be the total price of the white cement bags? It should be positive 32,000. Then only 32,000 plus negative 32,000, you will get 0. So the white cement bags total selling price, we should get 32,000. So what is the price per bag it is 8 rupees. So how many 8 are there in this 32,000? That will be the number of cement bags. So the number of white cement bags to be sold equal to 32,000 divided by 8, which is equal to 4,000. So 4,000 bags, white cement bags, must be sold to get the neither profit nor loss. Hope it is clear to you. Now moving on to the last question. Here one thing more I want to tell you, this profit and loss we will learn more in the comparing quantities chapter. Now the last question of this exercise. Very easy question. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. First one, negative 3 into dash equal to 27. So it is a negative 3, one negative integer, and the product is positive. So negative into negative is positive. So definitely the blank, that integer should be negative, should come. So 3 into which number will give you 27? It is 9. So minus 3 into minus 9 should come. Then only negative into negative, positive will come. Got it? Now second one, 5 into dash equal to negative 35. Here 5 is positive, but here product negative. So positive into negative will become negative. So what should come here? Yes, negative 7. Now C. Dash into minus 8 equal to minus 56. So here it is negative 8 and the product is negative. So negative into positive should be negative. So here it should be a positive. So 8 into which number? 56? 7. So it is 7. Positive 7. So that positive into negative, the product will be negative. And the last one, dash into minus 12 is equal to 132. So here 12 is negative. So negative into negative should come to get the positive product. So what it should be? 132 divided by minus 12, which is equal to minus 11. So this is the end of the exercise 1.3. See you with exercise 1.4 soon. Thank you.